Hello, welcome. This is Moses. Today we are learning how to correct price errors in the Tally ERP9. You go to your program. You go to you. You select the program. Uh, you select company. From here, let me show you something. Uh, if I go to stock summary, now I have Dell Inspiron laptops. There are 8, each at a rate of, this was supposed to be 1,500,000, but look at how it has been represented. It has been presented as if you can't actually read it. See, these three zeros at the end, they are separated, but from there it is only two zeros separated, so you can't read it properly. Okay, and this is supposed to be 12 million, but according to the way it is presented here, you can hardly read it. So today we're going to learn on how to solve this problem. Okay, let us close this one. Okay, from the gateway, you either press F3 or you just click on F3, that is comp info. You click on select company, then from the list you select your company. Okay, now from here you select outer, you select your company, you press enter, enter. uh, Now you go to show amounts in millions. By default it is no. You change it to yes. You press enter. Okay, let us close this one to go and check if our changes has been effected. Stock summary. See guys, the changes are working. Now this is 1,500,000, this is 12 million. That is how it is done. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.